This is a 2001 Chrysler Sebring. The problem is the window, the passenger window will not go down. There's a lot of things online about checking the switch. Most people will replace like the passenger side switch over here. That usually doesn't work. And they'll tell you to replace the driver's side switch, which is over here. Which I did both, and the windows still would not go down. So I went and removed that connector that connects, you know, the door, you know, all the wiring to the door, and as you could see, a lot of the wires are disconnected, and that's what's leading toward the power window not working. So rather than even opening up the door panel, this might be one of the first things you want to check, because this is actually easier to deal with than all that removing of the door panel. I bought some 18 gauge wire. Bought some 18 gauge wire at AutoZone for like $6 or $7. And what I'll do is I'll loop it together, and everything will be working back to normal.